let me ask you this. What would 12 deals do in your business? If you're a realtor and your website is generating 12 leads a month, and even if you're just closing a quarter of them, right? That is 3 transactions. Average potential commission, $10,000. That's 30 grand a month. What I'm noticing with so many realtors is that you guys have your lead generation website, which has the lead capturing built into it, more than likely like a KV Core or BoldTrail, right? And you guys are not using it because you haven't learned how to use it. You haven't learned how to talk to sellers, how to talk to buyers, how to have captured their information. Look at, this is one of the Go Get Them community members. And just sent this message, her name is Nadia, sent this message that she just figured out how to lead generate 12 leads so far, and she just got started. So I am so excited. You need to learn how to lead capture on your websites that your real estate companies are giving you for free. And if you don't know how, I can teach you how inside of the Go Get Them community, comment social.